Hi guys, it's Henry here from IFE. So today I want to talk about what makes a good quality stock, how to find the stocks, my predictions for the stocks going forward that are good quality. So firstly, I'll look to what is good quality stocks and what makes a good investment. So there's a lot of data out there, there's a lot of numbers you can do. Today I don't want to focus too much on the numbers. I want to focus more on kind of intellectual property or advantages that the company may hold. So we'll go back to Buffett's philosophy. What makes a good stock? So his is intellectual property. He likes stocks such as cola because people buy the brand. It's got a good intellectual property, and people will still use it in 10 years' time, no matter of the trend, the technology, etc. People will use it. So that's one way to identify a good quality stock, one that will be around in 10 years' time, that has a good intellectual property, and it's got a solid reputation. Another one is one that has good infrastructure already in place that makes it hard for companies to compete with. So for the likes of US rail, not many other companies are going to bet against, put a few $1 billion into a rail infrastructure to compete against US rail or whoever, when the chances of failure are pretty high, and the costs to set up are also exponentially quite high as well. So these are ones that have a kind of good infrastructure where it's hard to compete against. One you may look for in the more modern sense is companies like Huawei, AT&T in America, where they've got the fiber optic 5G setup. Not many companies are going to compete in the medium term with these, because it takes a lot of capital to invest in these to get the infrastructure going. Huawei has Chinese backing, obviously, where they pay a lot for the infrastructure. AT&T also has good contracts in America and has a solid one there. UK, British Telecoms as well. So companies like that have a good infrastructure that are hard to compete, also good quality companies. So looking forward, where do I think good companies will be? Well, I think there's the solid companies that have done well before will also do well, so the likes of Coca-Cola. We've got the solid companies such as the utility companies that kind of just trundle on in regardless of the technology boom that we've seen. Technology-wise, I see China looking to dominate the kind of Southeast Asia presence with its kind of big Tencent, Alibaba, ByteDance coming into the Southeast Asia region, trying to get more market capitalization throughout the region. You've got a massive population of about 650 million people in Southeast Asia, an emerging middle class, and it's just more technological boom for them to go at. So we've seen kind of the likes of companies working with the Southeast Asia giants, Grab, also Shopee having a bit of a relationship with also some of the Chinese companies, and Huawei as well getting in. So I'm quite bullish on those technological companies, regardless of your thoughts on China or the business practices there that are somewhat misled, shall we say the least. I believe that the Chinese technology companies have massive area for growth within the region. And also going forward, we can't kid ourselves. We see high P ratios in technology, but technology is going forward as well at a rapid rate. So it is to have something in the innovation region. So just to conclude, I see companies that are stable being the ones that have always been stable. In terms of innovation, a lot of the technology, Chinese technology, especially because of the area for growth. If you want to have a look at a personal portfolio for you, need to go over and have a look at some of the funds and review personally, especially if you're over the kind of $250,000 net worth. Feel free to email me at info@investmentforexpats.com. Cheers guys.